Oh,
There's a. I thought they read all three.
God, I really am gonna miss this. Right? Oh, honey.
That's what I was trying to get from my car when I was moving. But my car didn't have a hitch, and it was like $350 to add the hitch. Are you filming? You could have told me so I didn't film.
You're not taking my calls.
I don't have my phone with me.
Do you know why I first started on radio?
No, I don't.
Because I loved the idea of no matter what I said or what music I played, millions of people could just turn on the radios and hear it. Then as I got older, I realized that reaching millions and millions of anonymous people doesn't come close to reaching just one person you love. And I'm leaving tomorrow. And it got me thinking, wouldn't it be nice if you were coming with me to New York? But then I thought about it, and I thought about you and your hotel and your rooftop and your inability to make proper wishes. I have no interest in trying to change you, Jimmy. I love who you are. Rich, independent, total pain in the ass.
Does sound like me.
And here we are, staring at two paths. And I know how I feel. I know that you're the person that I want to talk to. You're the person I want to listen to. You're the person I want to splash with. You're my person, Snoop. And I just wanted to know what you thought about that.
It's been really nice seeing you again, Mister. I hope you have a safe trip home.
So his phone's going to be with the case and the screen protector like $33 a month for 24 months.
Hi, everybody. I'd like to take a second to say a few words. As most of you know, I'm Tom Myers, Jared's dad. On behalf of my fiancée Cheryl and myself, I want to thank you all for coming. Kate, we're so excited to welcome you and invite you into the family. Jared, we are so very happy for you.
Thanks, Dad.
As Shakespeare said, love looks not with the eyes, but with the mind. How right he was. Love takes thought and care, and I'm glad that all the plus columns lined up. Kate, you're getting one of the good ones.
didn't mean to do that, sorry. As few, well, if any of you know, I'm Jared's mother, Judge Myers, or Sharon. I just wanted to say, I don't think that's what Shakespeare had in mind when he wrote those lines. He was saying Cupid is blind. He wasn't saying that people should go think themselves into love, a system of pluses or minuses. But anyway, when I look at my son, I am so proud of him because he has had the courage to put himself out there, and he's found someone to make him happy. That's inspiring, even for someone as old as me. The truth is, love is not blind, and it's not a battlefield, and it's not the sun or the moon or everything we load onto it. It's just a word until someone gives it meaning. And that's what the two of you have found in each other. In fact, all four of you. And we all deserve that. Well done.
Great, Jared.
Oh shit.
Hello.